Hello students, now another video on support reactions. Now as you can see here, a simply supported beam is there. Three loads are there. One is point load which is acting in upward direction 10 newtons, another point load 20 newtons acting in downward direction, and a UDL of 5 newton per meter of span 3 meters. Okay, here at support A hinge support is there, and at B a roller support is there. So before finding the support reactions, we have to draw free body diagram. So first of all, we'll draw free body diagram, that is FBD. So first of all, draw a horizontal line which represents the simply supported beam. At A, a reaction will be there, that is RA. At B also another reaction will be there, that is RB. This one is A, this one is B. Here a point load which is acting in upward direction 10 newtons. Another point load is there here which is acting in downward direction. Its magnitude is 20 newtons. And a UDL is there. So as I told earlier, we have to convert this UDL into a point load. So the process is multiply the magnitude of the UDL, that is 5 newton per meter, with its span 3 meters here. So 5 into 3, 15, and where to locate? You have to locate at the mid of the span. So 5 into 3, 15 newtons point load will act at the mid span. Since this is 3 meters length, so at a distance of 1.5 meters, 1.5 meter, this will be acting. Okay, and these distances are, this one is 3 meters and this one is 4 meters. Okay, so in this way you will draw the FBD. Now applying the conditions of equilibrium. Now first condition is taking moment about A. Always remember, whenever there is a simply supported beam is there, you have to take moments about left hand support, that is A. So summation MA equal to 0, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. So how many forces are there on the beam? 1, 2, 3, and one reaction force, total 4 forces. First I will consider this one. This is acting upward direction. If you try to turn this towards A, it will turn in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise sign is negative, and the moment is force into distance. So 10 newtons, and the distance of this 10 newton from A is 3 meters. So minus 10 into 3. Okay, negative sign shows that this is turning in anti-clockwise direction towards A. Then second force 20 newtons. If you try to turn this towards A, it will turn in clockwise direction. The distance of 20 from A, total distance is 3 plus 4, that is 7. So plus, since it is turning clockwise direction, plus 20 into 7. Next force is 15. It will again turn, if you try to turn this towards point A, it will turn in clockwise direction, so clockwise positive. And the distance of 15 newton from A, total distance is 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1.5, that is 8.5. 15 into 8.5. And the last one is RB. Since RB is acting in upward direction, so it will turn in anti-clockwise direction towards A, and the total distance of reaction at BRB is 10. So since it is turning in anti-clockwise direction, minus RB into 10 is equal to 0. Now when you solve this much in the calculator, you will get 237.5 minus 10 RB is equal to 0. 237.5 is equal to 10 RB. So 237.5 divided by 10 is equal to RB, and RB is equal to 23.75 newtons. So this is the value of reaction at B. Now reaction at A. Let's try. Now we will apply second condition of equilibrium, that is summation Fy equal to 0. Upward force positive, downward force negative. Now if you remember in my previous videos, one of my videos of the same topic, at A, at hinge support, I have calculated two reactions, both in vertical and horizontal. When you have to find the two reactions at hinge support, only when the point load which is acting on the beam is inclined in fashion. If it is in inclined, then you have to find two reactions at hinge support. Now, if you consider this case, here neither of the forces are inclined, so you have to find only one force at hinge support, that is Ra. No need to find two supports, that is two components of the support at A. So now summation Fy, that is summation of all the vertical forces, Ra, 10, 20, 15 and Rb. These are the forces which are acting on the beam, vertical forces. We'll start from A. Ra is in upward direction, so upward positive. 10 is also in upward direction, so plus 10. 20 in downward direction, minus 20. 15 in downward direction, minus 15. And Rb in upward, so plus Rb is equal to 0. So Ra plus 10 minus 20 minus 15 plus Rb we just calculated. What is the value of Rb we got? 23.75 is equal to 0. Now simplifying this, you will get Ra minus 1.25 is equal to 0. Therefore Ra is equal to 1.25 newtons. This is the value of reaction at. I hope you understood the entire sum. Thank you very much.